Doing nothing also, Sir Tyrone. How is Rizzy, your son? My daughter is good. She's playing. She's good. She's good. She's good. Yeah. May big pimples again. Uy, kuya! Ano ka? Gutom na, di ba? Tapos ng laro. I'm so handsome. Sana all handsome. Yes, and I'm looking at a good look young lady. Nice view. Sir Tyrone, nice view, huh? Let's cook the ano. I want to check the mango. Oh, ano yan? Charge mo? With vegetables. Magpaano ka doon sa ano? Diyan na. Lang? Hmm? Ah, my garden. Oh, there's already a flower. It's a mango over there. See that one? There's already mango. And the vegetables, there's already flower on here. There's a flower here. Look at it. May bunga na oh. Yes? Hmm. What is that? Come here. Let me see. It's climbing. Hmm? Langgam. Ano ba yan? Ah, yung tali? Opo. Yay! Careful. See that? There's already many Indian mango. We call it Indian mango. See that one? I used to sit here before because there is a chair or there is a couch in here, but now it's gone, so no more. See, there are many Indian mango in there. Okay. Shag zone, yes. I'm in the ouch. Many mosquito here outside. You want to climb? It's like, you see that one. Hi, Shag Zone. How are you?